Yeah, here, I'm sick of this. Okay, you're the little one.
Like always.
Of course.
You want to go down there and see what's down?
Oh, well, we gotta... Yeah, I'm pretty
We'll
sure we
probably
have to go
have
down
to
there
anyways.
anyway. This is what we call teamwork. I doubt that we...
Just sit down. Take in the view. Get a screenshot. Boom.
Boom.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. We're both thinking the same thing. Boom. Thumbnail.
Don't have to take
A
one off
new
the internet.
adventure starts. Boom. There's your title. Hang on. Turn this.
So not Despicado.
Despicado.
Yeet. I did not mean to do that.
Well, we probably needed to do it anyway.
Yeah, I saw a level up. So I
Needed to
thought
get his
maybe I
butt
could-
up.
Maybe you can get up and see if you can capture that.
Anna, when Hadi?
Oh. I didn't have to.
Well, you kind of did anyway, because he needed to be awake in order to... I like how we're making this one-player game a two-player game.
I think it is meant to be a cooperative.
It might be, I don't know. But 2 guys on 1 controller, that's what she said. It doesn't work that way, you have to say it. My go-go juice. Yum, yum, yum.
I'm gonna spit down.
You
a
want to
little
spit
bit.
on people's dreams again?
You never find love.
Oh, what's up here? Okay.
What did you hear?
Huh?
What was in there? Did you hear anything?
Nothing.
Looks all put it on.
My girlfriend's not home. Click the bumper on... No, wait. I need to click the bumper on my side. Hacha.
Diana?
Oh.
How nice. You're just picking up more dust.
I'm sweeping the dirt for her. What does he do for
So
you?
what do I do?
I was about to say, what do you... He's like, da 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 da. She's like, what are you doing? Oh,
Give it back.
is she sweeping with a mop?
Is that a mop?
It looks like a mop.
It does look like a mop.
What do you guys think? Is that a mop or is that a broom?
Mop-tastic.
I think it looks like a mop. You're fantastic. You should go and join the circus. I'm gonna sell
Oh,
you
they're
to the
playing
circus.
basketball.
Oh, other way. What?
an
Oh,
outhouse.
I was about to be like, what is up there? But it's an outhouse. It's just a poop house.
This guy's playing basketball. I want to play basketball. Mine.
She's like, I got it.
Yeet.
Mine.
Can you actually make it in?
I'm sure you can. Give me that. It's like, give me that thing. Oh, we will get this. No, it's mine.
That's
Here you go. I'm passing it to you. I think. Here, take it. Hey, little brat. Why do you not throw it very well? He doesn't throw it very hard. You see that?
Maybe you get back here where she is. Oh,
Oh, hey, nice catch.
yeet.
Yeah, I think you made it.
Yeah,
it looked like you made it. Camera rotate. My way. Sorry.
Oh lady, oh lady. I don't know if this is
She's laughing.
okay.
Ma, when Hadi?
You need your reading specs. That way. Obviously. I didn't know how to follow the road. Thank you, lady. You're very kind and sweet.
This is my ball.
Okay, let's take the ball with us. She's like, I wouldn't be surprised if she started following us. Like, hey, give me my ball back. God.
We'll call it
little
Jeremy.
thief. That's a good idea. Jeremy the ball. Wait, hang on. I want to go back up this way. I want to see if I can get in the chicken coop and take a chicken.
Chicken thief. Make sure you don't hit it a few times. Did I just chuck that ball?
He's just looking at him. Yeah, you did.
Joby. Okay. Wilson.
Jeremy! Let's go, Jeremy. So, that's a good name for a ball. I like that.
Joby. Do you think I can hit this school?
Well, too late now. What is... He's like, whoa, what do I do? So jump over it. How about that? Oh, hey, there you go. We're getting really good at this whole catching thing. Oh. Well, now...
I got a freaking
Hey, look at that!
achievement.
Wishing well.
Wishing
Look at
well.
that for...
You can't see it because the camera's in the way.
Yeah, we just got an... Well, Nate just got an achievement for...
Anna, Da, da, ja.
It's like,
Like-
leave me alone. I'm...
Leave me to my roses.
Oh, what a sweet boy.
Okay. But that didn't do anything with the guy. Okay. Whatever. Let's push the gate. Have fun with that.
It's much faster when the both of us push, huh? Should
What's
we
that
go
guy
down to
pulling the hole?
fisherman?
He's playing the hope. See if we can play the hope. Let's see if I can
You
play
go
the hope.
first.
Is it good? It must be good.
You're literally just dragging your fingers across it.
No.
That's all, and that's literally what it sounds like. It's like, dring, 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 like. It's like, thank you, I'll be here for the rest of my life.
I just did the gentleman's dab.
Oh, now he's laughing at me because I don't know how to play the damn harp. Fat fingers. Hey, you know what? Piss off.
Oh, you want to go back up on the bridge?
Let's see what's
It's probably progression.
probably. Let's go in here.
Take a look.
You literally just walk through it.
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid of getting my boots wet. Oh,
Oh.
that's literally what it was.
Okay. Don't you have a
What
drink
is
of
this
this guy's
drunk?
alcohol?
Oder, when Hadi?
Say, go away. What is he? I like seeing the interactions with everyone. This is fantastic. He's like, oh shit.
That's nasty.
Little kids. You little kids are so funny. He's like, I'm drunk. I was about to say, if he starts stumbling when you walk, I'm gonna laugh.
Oh, this is pretty.
Isn't it?
Hey.
Ooh.
Hey,
Oh, we gotta avoid the dog.
Poco?
Let's
Oh,
do
maybe distraction. You go, and I'll distract the doggo. And then you can go.
Oh! Ah! Ah!
Oh no!
Oh no!
So I distract the doggo when you go and run.
Okay. Go. Okay. Go. You gotta distract him. I'm gonna die again.
It's okay, I got this. Oh no.
Oh, I almost went. That would have been really bad. He's like, oh, ah, ha, human. Go, 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 go.
Oh,
Oh no! Don't pull him all the way over there! I'm gonna die again!
okay, okay.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Dang, we were all so close! I was so close to get. I was almost there. Why did you do that?
What is he?
Okay, I'll go then. Woo!
Focus mode.
This is challenging. I couldn't imagine doing this by myself. I would have died so many times, either kill the boy or kill the big boy.
Otherwise, you kill a boy.
Woo! Oh no! Go! Oh, dude! That was pretty difficult. That's kind of challenging. I wonder what happens. I wonder what happens if you just like stand here and just
You
so,
will not see me ever
bathing.
again.
I'm bathing. Okay, bye. Drown. I hope you die. No. I hope you drown in the shower tonight.
Hey, Nai!
It's like, hey, hurry up, God.
Sorry, I'm not as big as you. Boost me up.
Okay, see you later.
Yep.
No.
Oh, hello.
Ooh!
Child?
You're gonna have to jump to the middle. Oh, okay, never mind. I was gonna say, you're gonna have to jump to the middle one, but... Oh, look, a parrot!
Oh, can we play with the parrot?
I don't know, let's go find out.
What cock is?
I don't know, maybe.
It's a hamster.
Oh, a hamster wheel. Dude, this game has so many cool things.
Just let it out. Oh, wait.
Goodbye!
Oh.
I probably would have done the same thing. Like, birds being held against his wheel. Hey, I mean...
I can do something. Maybe you can have the sheep.
Atta!
Make the sheep become free. You throw it off the lake with the river.
Let's find out. Oh! She was like, damn it!
No, I can't.
Go!
Dang.
Dang. That's
Nope, get back.
He's like, oh! Ugh.
We'll only
Let's find
feed
out
one
what's
sheep.
like over here. Oh, look at this. What is this?
He's drinking a juice, man.
Ki? When hadi?
Okay, so that way is progression.
Let's go
So
the opposite way of that.
Let's not do what that is. We're gonna explore Adventures with Nico. Da 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 da. I'm gonna make that my theme song. I think that's
Bunnies.
like- oh, bunnies!
Catty.
He's like, shoo, shoo.
Boom.
He only shoos him away. He doesn't like
I got the
capture
white,
him like
I got the only white bunny.
put him in the fire pit.
Yes. Boom.
Oh, dude, you got another achievement.
Bunny buddies.
Oh, yeah, see, look at that.
How cute.
Ah, they're so cute when they're black. That is not a racist joke, by the way. For the viewers out there, it's not a racist joke. Oh, I wonder if we could put the sheep in there.
And will. I'll have a black sheep.
Again, not a racist joke.
Papa black sheep. Yeah.
Have thy any wool. Yes, sire, yes, sire. Oh my gosh, he goes so slow with these sheep. It's obnoxious. And the sheep won't stop. Come here, you. Watch, the next achievement is Ba Ba Black Sheep. Oh!
Black sheep it is.
Aha! Sweet! Let's go do it with the other four. Or three, I mean. Oh, this is gonna take so long.